Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, June 2022, 12 variant, question number 5. And what a question he mentioned is a curve equation. You can see clearly there's a line equation. You can see, and part A, given that a curve and line intersect. And whenever intersection word comes, so either y equal to y or x equal to x, we have two approaches. But x is very hard to put it because they are different powers. So y is okay. So job number 1, I will do y and y equal to each other. So, so this equation I'm copying here and this I'm copying here because he mentioned us that they are intersecting. So let me write it. Okay, so it means curve and line intersecting. There's 2 points as we know, and he said that point section x value is 0 and 3/4. So one x value is given by him is 0. Normally he asked us to find, but in this particular question he given us. Okay, now I'm saying, so this 0 is I'm replacing every x. So put x is equal to 0. 0 put here and here and here. So this all both 0. So what this left and this left, I got half k square is equals to negative a, equation number 1 done. Now I'm using 3/4. So put 3/4. X is equals to 3/4. This goes here, each x. So I'm writing 4. So 3/4 to power 2 and minus k times to 3/4 plus half k square. Even 3/4 it plays here. And minus a. So this is square of 3 give you 9, square of 4, 16, and that 4 and 4, 16 cancel. I got 9/4. Here 3k/4. Here I got k square by 2. Here I got 3/4. But check it, is this minus a match? Yes. So this is a value of minus a comes here. I repeat my words, even including minus, I will replace. Okay. Don't forget it. Don't think so this negative will come here. No. Why? Because I'm placing complete negative a. So here plus will come, make sure. So this plus will come. Now this will be cancelled automatically. You can see clearly. So now 4, 4, 4, 4 LCM. So multiply by 4 throughout. When multiply 4 here, I get 9. When multiply 4 here, I get 3k. When more multiply here, I got a 3. So 3k this way and 3 goes this way. So 9 minus 3 equal to 3k. So this becomes 6 equal to 3k and k value becomes 2. So I believe this part is very clear. Now, this k value, I can plug in it here. I'm writing here, put in 1. So when I put in 1, so half, this 2 goes there, 2 square is equal to negative a. So this is a 4/2 become 2. So negative will shift on the other side. So ultimately it becomes -2. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The first part is completely over. Part number 1 done. Find the values of K and A. Now part number B, he said given instead A is -7/2. The previous A value I will not use in part number 2. So this value I will replace here. And he said find the values of K. The line is tangent to curve. So let me show you what he's talking about. Let me tell you finally. So y is equals to 4x squared negative kx plus half k squared is a curve equation, and y is equals to x minus a value is coming this negative into negative positive 7/2. So these are 2 equations. We have it now. I will cut from here. I bring down and I'm going to use it here now. According to situation part B, he said the curve, the line is tangent. And tangent, b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. But how we'll do it? How we apply? Do we have ABC values? Answer is no. Step by step. Step number 1, y equal to y or x equal to x. Step number 2, rearrange equation, get ABC, and then you apply formula. Then apply formula, this one. So let's start. Step number 1, this equal to this. So I'm writing now 4x squared minus kx plus half k square equals to x plus 7/2. Because you see this 2 is disturbing to us. Multiply into 2 throughout. 2 fours are, I get a 8x square. 2 into that, I got 2kx. 2 into that, this cancel out, I got a k square. 2 into this, I got a 2x. 2 into this, 7 left behind. Now I'll bring both value left side. So 8x square copy, negative 2kx copy. This will come here, negative 2x. This will come here, plus k square minus 7 equal to 0. Now, I have to rearrange. So why have I done? Alhamdulillah. Rearrangement I am doing and get ABC. What is ABC? A is, look, let me write x common out, 2 common out. So 2 is not compulsory. If you take common out, good. If you don't common out, no issue at all. So plus k square minus 7. For your knowledge, this is called A. This is called B, including negative sign outside. Make sure. But if you don't take negative sign, not a big effect. I will tell later what reason. And C value is k squared minus 7. So I think up till here, all points are very clear to you. And now I'm going to apply. And what he said as a tangent. So B squared minus 4AC equals to 0. So, this value will come here. So let me write it here. 2k plus 2 whole square. For A value is coming from here 8. And C value is coming from here k square minus 7. Now, for your knowledge, this negative 1 goes on negative 1 square, which will come, it very well. Whenever negative 1 square comes, it means negative multiplied 2 times. We got a plus 1. So you write this negative sign or you don't write, not a big effect. But this 2k plus 2 whole square will stay as it is. 4 8s are 32. I'm writing. Later on, I will bring inside. So here this gone. So here I'm using squaring identity. All of you know first term square plus 2 into first term, second term square here. 2k comes here, 2k comes here. This 2 will come in next two brackets. 32k I'm writing here, and negative, negative, positive. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 21, 22. Okay. Now I'm seeing here this 2k square, 4k square. 4 2s are 8k plus 4 minus 32k square plus 2 to 4. Okay. Now, students, what to do afterwards? I am this and this value, I get it negative 28. And this is 8k as it is. And this will become plus 2 to 8 equals to 0. Okay, now if I divide this whole equation with a negative 4, but if you don't do even no effect. So I divide negative 4, I got 7k square. Here negative divide, I got negative 2. Here negative, let me check. 4, it is 2 to 8. 2 to 8 divided by 4. 4, 4, 6 are 24, 4 5s are, and 4, 7, 28. Correct. So this is okay. Now, students, I'm going to apply factorization or quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is better, maybe big numbers, so you get issue maybe. B squared minus 4a and c by 2a. And if you apply the, and because you are in AS level, if you apply and get direct, let me check in calculator. If I type in calculator, I got a direct 2 answers, 3 answer comes and negative 19 by 7. So I got 2 answers. What he was asking us, he was asking find out the values of K. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very clear. And hold this a part number 2 with a 6 marks, no 5 marks, sorry. This question was a little lengthy, but I hope so you understood well how I have done the question.